Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
I just got my hands on the 4L electric composter, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for managing food waste. This smart compost bin is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring a large 4L capacity and an odorless design thanks to its dual activated carbon filters. With its upgraded churning system and 3 composting modes, it turns my kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer in just a few hours. Don't wait, grab yours now and start making a positive impact on the environment while keeping your kitchen clean.
Product 2.
Say goodbye to mediocre mornings and hello to the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. With its 6 browning settings and intelligent heating technology, you can achieve the perfect toast every time. Plus, the extra wide slots accommodate all your favorite breads and bagels, making breakfast a breeze for the whole family. Don't miss out. Grab yours today and transform your breakfast routine.
Product 3.
Say goodbye to struggling with dull meat choppers and hello to our perfect kitchen tool. With 5 wide beveled pinwheel blades, this tool effortlessly chops and crumbles meat, making meal prep a breeze. Made from premium, BPA-free nylon, it's safe for all cookware and easy to clean, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Don't miss out. Grab yours today and elevate your kitchen game.
Product 4.
Say goodbye to bland coffee and hello to barista-level froth right at home. This powerful milk frother whips up your favorite lattes, cappuccinos, and matcha in seconds, thanks to its 13,000 RPM motor and 26 spiral rings. It's not just for coffee. It effortlessly froths all types of milk and even whisks eggs for a perfect omelet. Don't miss out. Grab yours now and elevate your morning routine.
Product 5.
I just got my hands on the 2-in-1 Adacom microwave place mat and food cover, and I can't believe how much easier my cooking life has become. This versatile mat not only acts as a splatter guard, but also serves as a bowl holder, making it perfect for all my kitchen needs. With its smart design featuring vented holes and a handy handle, I can easily grab my food without worrying about burns. Trust me, you need to grab one of these before they sell out.
Product 6.
I just got my hands on the OttStar jar opener and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This 6-in-1 opener is designed for everyone, especially those with weak hands or arthritis, making it super easy to pop off lids of all sizes. With its long handle and rubber lining, you get a solid grip, so even the toughest jars don't stand a chance. Don't wait. Grab yours now and make opening jars a breeze.